Okay, so we're going to show you how to use the magnetic lasso tool today. And I like to use this when I'm taking one thing from one picture and putting it into another one. So you can see I've put this statue here in this picture. I'm going to show you how I did that. So we're going to go back to our original photo. And I like to make sure that it's fit on the screen. I've already done that. So I have the full view of what I'm trying to select. And if you go over, go to the third tool down, and at the bottom of that menu, that's the magnetic lasso tool. Now this one you can put anchors here and there, which is really helpful, and that's why I prefer this lasso tool. So I'm going to put my first anchor there, and then you just follow along the edge of whatever you're trying to capture. And every time there's like a little corner or something like that, I like to click and give it a new anchor. Just because sometimes it won't always give you an anchor. But it's okay if it doesn't and you make a few mistakes here and there, because it's really easy to go back and just add or subtract things that you need to it. Okay, so I have a pretty clean line, so I don't really have to add or subtract anything, but I am going to show you what it looks like and tell you what buttons you have to press. So if you need to subtract something, you hit your Alt key, and your little tool next to your mouse is going to add a subtraction sign. And then again, you just select what you want to subtract, it'll go away. And then if you need to add something, you hit your Shift key, and it will give you a little plus sign to tell you how to get that. So we have our friend. He's all selected. He's ready to go meet his buddy over on the dock. So we hit Control and Alt and click, and that's going to copy it. And so now we can just drag him over and put him in here. And if you're wanting to move anything after that, make sure you hit your Move tool, because otherwise your lasso tool will just start picking things up. It'll move old buddy there. So now the two friends are in the same photo and you know how to use the magnetic lasso tool. And if you want to go back and click some more, it's still selected, and it will be until you deselect or you select something else. So just a quick recap on what keys I use. If you need to add to your selection, you hit Shift. If you need to subtract from your selection, hit Alt. And then Control Alt will help you click and copy and move your friend over so you have them in your new photo.